Hi, my name is Lauren Loudon, Product Manager at LabSphere, where we empower you to measure any light source, create any spectrum, and reflect any wavelength. Welcome to our Light Metrology video series. In this series, I will be demonstrating light measurement using an integrating sphere. I will go through this process using one of our Illumia Plus 2 light metrology systems powered by our Integral software. In this first video, I'll review the basic equipment needed for a light metrology system. I'll also review the 4 steps necessary to make an absolute spectral radiant flux measurement. So let's get started. At a minimum, we will need the following pieces of equipment: a properly baffled integrating sphere, a NavLab accredited NIST traceable spectral radiant flux reference lamp to calibrate the system, an auxiliary lamp to monitor the sphere throughput as we add and remove objects to the sphere, such as our DUT and calibration lamp, a cosine corrected spectrometer to measure the spectral characteristics of the light source, and a power supply to drive the reference lamp and auxiliary lamp at the correct current. So now, let's review the steps needed to make an absolute spectral radiant flux measurement using an integrating sphere. The first step in the substitution method is a measurement of the spectral radiant flux standard. For this measurement, the standard lamp is powered on and the aux lamp is attached to the sphere but powered off. The second step is a measurement of the aux lamp. For this measurement, we turn the reference lamp off and power on the auxiliary lamp. This scan is used to determine the throughput of the sphere when the calibration lamp is attached to the sphere. This is known as an auxiliary scan or absorption scan. In the third step, we place our device to test in the sphere, but keep it powered off so we can make an auxiliary scan of the sphere with the DUT in place and monitor the throughput change. Finally, in step 4, we can measure our test lamp. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out all the videos in this series to learn more about light measurement using an integrating sphere.